Sí. Look what we go through. So we have to go through. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we have to go through. This is what we go through. Sealed packets. Sealed packets.
Can I see inside?
This is what we go through. Sensing cigarettes is not allowed to go in. This is what we go through. This is what we have to do.
What is all this then?
Take your things back.
Thank you very much.
Your fines are there. Just go and fix. Don't talking things that you don't know.
The guy did not explain my fine to me.
To explain your fines to you while you are
Asked sorry.
Yes, you can read that. Don't you know how to read? Read that. Don't say I must explain to you. You don't want to comply with me, so now how must I do? Must I beg you? Read there. You can read.
I can will put you on social media also tonight, sir.
Hey man, you can put it fine. It's
Okay.
fine.
Which area are you working in, sir? I can't go. I want to speak to you.
You want to stay here? It's fine. It's up to you. Put it now on social media. Put it now. Put it now. What are you waiting for? Put it now.
I will do, sir.
Yeah.
I will do, sir.
Do so. Feel free to do that.